Hey guys, guess what? It's snowing! It's snowing outside. I don't know if you can see it on my camera, but it is seriously snowing. But the snowflakes are pretty small, so you can't really see them. I'm in front of I'm in front of this restaurant right here that I'm at my winter celebration. There's the Voight Conference Center Hotel. I just filmed there. And that hotel at the top of the hill, I don't know if you can see it, but you can look at it in my video once I get it put together. So this is very nice winter celebration, and I had fun filming elevators. And once this is a bonus for a snow video, we finally got snow. And this is in Lynchburg, Virginia. So, I'm sorry I didn't test the alarm in the Dover elevator because people were sleeping and there was no time to do it. And if you're interested, please like and subscribe to my channel. So, I hope you guys like this snow video. And I'm glad we finally got a flurry this year, because it was one of the records this year with hot days and all that. And I just got done eating breakfast. If you're really interested in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.